Hey, what's up, party people? Today we have a fun one. Today we're going to be riding up to Los Angeles on our 2025 S1000RR BMW Motorrad Superbike. We're going to see an exclusive sneak peek preview of a new Chris Hemsworth documentary starring him and his father. And it's a love story and an ode to his father, who's suffering with some physical ailments as he gets older. So we're going to go up there on our S1000RR. We have about 100 miles to cover from San Diego County to LA County, but we're on the perfect bike for making up time. Who's ready to ride? And we made it, folks! Holy cow, that was an effort, but we made it. Good evening!
How you doing?
All right, folks, we've just pulled up at the legendary bike shed in Los Angeles, California on our 2025 S1000RR. This thing's a good beast for riding through dense traffic after dark if you need to get in a hurry. Now it's time to check in and see what's cooking inside for this Chris Hemsworth documentary. All right, folks, I'm with my good buddy Nathan. I haven't seen him in a while. Nathan, welcome to Bike Shed.
Thank you so much. Tonight's event should be pretty interesting. I'm looking forward to the documentary. Got some Harley Davidsons, got some Alpine Star stuff. I'm excited to check it out. How about yourself?
I'm very excited, but first things first, we need something to drink.
My mouth is a little parched. Thank you so much.
What do we have here today,
We got
miss?
some popcorn, we got some cheddar popcorn, and some butter popcorn to increase your viewing experience.
Which one's the best?
Cheddar. I'm a cheddar fan. Some people hate it, but because they don't like cheddar, but I like cheddar.
I like cheddar.
I like cheddar.
Cheddar it is. All right, everyone, we're with my old friend Ashley. She used to work at Suzuki and then Alpine Stars, and now she's at where?
At Shimano.
And how is it over there?
It's awesome. Can't say enough good things about the place. Definitely go check out our new XDR with the Di2. And yeah, I love it.
What's better, Ultegra or the Dura Ace?
I mean, Dura-Ace is top of the line, but Ultegra won't let you down either.
And what are we doing here tonight?
So we're out here for Chris Hemsworth, a road trip to remember out here at the bike shed.
Awesome.
Yeah, looking forward to watching the film.
All right, everyone, we're here with Mr. Laidlaw of Laidlaw's Harley Davidson. Mr. Laidlaw, what do you think about being here at this movie premiere?
I think it's cool. Yeah, I think it's great that we're highlighting the Pan America. I'm excited to see Chris with his dad on the bike. But the fact that they're on Pan Americas, I think it's cool. I think it's a very underappreciated motorcycle.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Yeah, of course.
Just want to thank National Geographic for putting that together and for sharing it with us, and for you coming down here to come and be a part of this. And yeah, thank you. I'm applauding for being here.
This is Insta360 Ace Pro 2, dude. Mark Marquez edition.
I think
Mark Marquez edition,
sponsored.
dude. Yeah.
Wow, Mark.
So what do you think of this Chris Hemsworth documentary?
Yeah, it's really cool. It's actually, there's a pretty moving message in there, about him and his dad, who's going through kind of the early stages of Alzheimer's. But but beyond that, it's like a good, feel-good kind of tale, and him getting together with his dad.
Yeah, I love the human element, him and his dad, their interaction. And it was really cool having the scientific approach to it, where they would break down what causes the problems and how human interaction and even different levels of human interaction can kind of heal you, or at least slow down the dementia. I thought that part was super informative and really cool.
Do you have any tips on how I should help you guys when you guys have dementia?
Take us on friggin' motorbike rides.
Where am I?
Yeah.
Thank you for coming to see me. Where am I?
He has early onset dementia tonight, so.
It's not that early. I'm pretty old.
Hey guys, what did you think of the Chris Hemsworth documentary?
It was awesome, super touching, honestly, especially towards the end. And I think we need a lot of content like that, you know, that is like deep and very sincere. So.
To me, it was kind of personal because my mom has the same disease as his father. So to me, it was really touchy because I have the same experience, kind of, as him because of my grandma. So to me, it was like really personal, I would say. Yes.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.